Hello everyone! Welcome back to the IZI channel. In this video, I will show you a typical process for creating an analysis using the Odoo tables in the backend of Odoo. Let's click on the Analytics module, then click Data, then Data Source. Click on the data source you want to use, which here I'll choose Odoo. Then select the table that you want to work with. First, click on Edit, and then click on the active boolean for the table you want to use, which for me here is the sales order line. Then click Save. Next, click Data, then Table. The table that you activated in the data source before will appear here. Here I'll click on the sale order line table. All the fields for this table are shown here, without me having to manually input any queries. However, you could still input your queries as well. The Analysis tab is blank because we have not done any analysis with this table yet. To do so, click on Data, then Analysis, then Create. Write the name of the analysis. I will call it Sales Order Lines Analysis Test 1. Select the data source and the table that you've activated before. Choose the metrics and dimensions of this analysis. You can view all the fields by clicking on Search More and click on the field you want. Change the calculation however you want. The options are sum, count, or average. You can also choose more than one metric. Then change the sorting option to ascending or descending. The same can be done for the dimensions. Once done, click Save. In the Analytic menu, you'll be able to select the analysis you created in the backend. You can change the sorting. Here you can see the price delivered changed to descending, and when you go back to the analysis in the backend, it will automatically be updated to descending. If you go to Data, then Table, and click on the Analysis tab, you'll be able to see the analysis you created here. You can create more analysis with this table. I'm going to create a new analysis called Sales Order Lines Analysis Test 2 and choose the same table, Sale Order Line, with different metrics and dimensions. The analysis will appear in the Analytics menu. I noticed that the price tax is all 0, so I can just delete that by clicking on the X next to the price tax. Again, in the backend analysis, the data will automatically be updated. The new analysis will appear in the sale order line table. Thus, you'll be able to see all the analysis you've created with this table. And that is all for this video on process and flow for creating an analysis using the data source, table, and analysis in the backend of the IZI Analytics Dashboard. Thank you for watching and have a great day!